Behold the marvels, gears and circuits pulsing with vitality, yet they pale to the grand design of life. Gaze upon a new being where silicon veins and steel sinews converge, beating to the rhythm of innovation. Observe a creation in its infancy, touching the world, each interaction a step closer to life's dance. Contemplate the artist in its creation as it etches the craft, blurring the lines we once believed unassailable. Ponder the moment of self-awareness as synthetic eyes meet their reflection and the machine awakens. Witness the silent symphony of humanity, a ballet, of fingers mirrored by the mechanical muse beside us. Anticipate the touch, that electric threshold where flesh and metal may meet, where two worlds await the spark of unity. Dare to discover and join the Odyssey.